is Jacob. Up the
Cairo
top, Cairo
is in the middle, and Hayden is at the bottom, and we don't know where he
this
went.
is Cairo.
I'm Cairo.
Now,
And this is Jacob.
and
that's Hayden.
Yeah, he's crazy.
Yeah.
And we also have a budgie, and a tick-tick, and a crazy bird.
And a crazy bird over here. Broken bird. It's not really a bird. It's pretty broken. Okay. Hey, what are you doing? Now we're gonna see if we can get this budgie to play with the tick-tick.
No.
Tick-tick.
No, stop.
Should we? Turn it on.
And we're at another place
No.
with Cairo.
Yeah. We're
And
gonna, we're gonna
Jesus.
put it in now.
Can
Or are we
you
gonna-
shut the door, please?
Tic-tacs are also so fun.
What about the
Also,
back
Back
Viking.
door is open. We need to shut that. He is shutting the back door so the budgie does not get out. So now no, stop, please.
Oh, I landed! It's on its tires!
Okay.
I just landed a
Now.
tic-tac on its tires behind me.
Are you sure
And now
we
my
can do
head,
this?
Yes.
has
Okay.
gone
It's gonna be fun.
from slapping tires.
It's very
Come on, Mr. Birdie. Want to play with a tick-tick?
no. Okay, can you just hold the camera like this at the budgie while I get him out?
Yeah, I've got it on him. Come on, Budgie.
Oh my god, see, he goes in there.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Got the budgie. Hey, get the budgie out. Come on, grab the budgie. Grab him.
Grab this stupid
Now put
Now.
the budgie on. He likes it in there better than he likes it out here.
Focus on the camera.
Okay.
He likes it. He likes it. Try grab him in there. Scare him out of there.
No, because then he'll die of fright.
Oh yeah, bird stuff. Oh, I know.
Oh god, I'm sorry.
Did he try and bake?
I'm trying to shake him out.
Did he try and bite you?
No.
Jacob,
Oh my
come
God.
on, grab it! Grab this stupid thing. Well, it's not really stupid, actually pretty brainy.
Yeah. We found out that.
Yeah, now let's put it up so it won't run back in.
Okay. Now.
You're like, let me back in! I want to be back in my home. Hey, play with this. We want you to play with this. Just play with this, please.
Tic-tac.
No. Yeah. Jay.
Jay, get
Oh, I
down.
landed.
Everybody be quiet, please.
Look at this stupid bird trying to fly away.
It's trying to fly away. Come here.
No, put the double checked it. Oh, that was the night's tic-tac.
Okay,
Now I'm
we've got the
stuck
bird.
with the cat tic-tac.
Okay, guys. If you can see, he's in. No, I don't think you can see.
He's trying to hide
Okay.
away.
Okay, pass the tick-tick. Now,
The budgie's like,
You play with
where did
this.
that hang
will he
from?
play with the tick-tick?
He stood on it. That's good enough.
Yeah.
I wonder if I can. Oh my god, where are you going? Oh my god, right up in the camera. He's like, what is this?
He's like, I'm in the spotlight now, bitches.
Jacob, I put a tic-tac from here on the carpet onto the couch.
He just took a poop.
Oh no, he's gonna take more. Should we grab him and put him onto the ground?
Can you just hold this, the camera, please?
Can I grab him this time?
I don't know
I'm gonna take that off.
if like him.
He looks pretty harmful.
Can you close the door, please? No, he doesn't
We
want
need
to.
the door to be closed.
Close the door, it's all good.
We've got Budgie out.
He tries to bite me. What? Pause it. Okay, Okay. I don't know if he's gonna jump on, but
It's worth a try. Come on,
be quiet.
come on, jump on, jump on. Jump on to the board, you little budgie.
From here to over there
He's
on the
probably
tile.
very scared.
Can I pet him?
Sure.
The tick was that. Nah,
He's
get
like,
out of
no.
here and hit me.
Oh, he's actually touching it there. It's actually touching him.
Yeah, make sure you get the lid
Okay, come on.
for the vid.
Put him on. Put him on.
Put him on for the vid.
Is he gonna go on? Oh, no.
He
It looks like he
'cause
doesn't.
It's like a sandpaper kind of thing. So, mate, what was he just doing? Hayden.
Is this a girl or boy, guys? Comment down below.
No, you don't need to comment down below because we already
Wait.
know.
Yeah, well, you can if you want to.
It's a boy.
Hey. No, you're the one who's in the spotlight, my main man. He's not really wanting
he
to touch
died.
it. It looks like he's scared of the camera. Like, if I put it over here, he's not on. What's he scared of? Put him on the board. Put the board by him.
He's like, are you going to bite it? He wants to bite it.
Wait, no, you meant to put it in front of him like this.
Yeah. He probably doesn't. Okay, everybody shush. He might be a bit scared with everybody crowding him.
Oh yes, some of us might have to go away. Look at him.
Oh my
He's on
God,
the
look
board.
at him.
It looks like he's trying to skate. Look. Oh. Aw.
That was so cool.
It looks
though.
like, hey, where'd he go?
Where are you going?
Our main man's trying to run away.
Oh man. He was actually skating though.
Yeah. Well, at least we got him to skate. Should we pause it until we get him on again? Guys, we're gonna pause it until we get him on. Yeah, unpause it.
Okay.
He's on.
He's on. He's on.
Does he like
Look at him skating. My main man.
Brum brum. Oh.
He doesn't.
He tried to do a jump like the inverse ollie, something, whatever it's called.
It's an ollie.
Oh, take it.
Hayden, please.
Come on. I'm gonna pause it until we get him on again. Yep. Now
He's
this-
biting. Now we've caught him biting me. He's a bit naughty.
Next time I just.
Yeah, now we're gonna pause it until you get him on. Or are we gonna just keep him?
pause?
I know. Come on. Look at this dude. He's riding a skateboard like a boss. Yeah, like a boss.
Right here. I want to take a picture of this. Yeah, just taking pics of this because he is so
Yep. He looks so
goddamn
sick.
cute.
He looks so sick.
Riding a skateboard.
Yeah.
Like a
Should we push him now?
See if we can.
Ride skateboard. Like a
Oh yeah, that's a boy. It's got something blue at the back of him.
Yeah, we already knew he was a boy. Vroom, vroom. Please don't come off. Please don't come. Yeah. Oh.
Are we gonna end the video soon?
Do the outro.
What?
Do the outro.
Oh, what?
I'm actually getting it. I'm actually getting.
The budgie does the
I'm
outro.
getting it.
So see you guys. This budgie is amazing.
And,
And
well,
he says
comment down
bye
below.
with his foot.
Press the subscribe button.
Subscribe if you want to.
And, yeah, and
Yeah.
bye, guys.
Yeah, but no. By the way, we also had
Tamina here.
Towner and Hayden in the background.
It's a huge yelling you heard.
Yeah, but the main people is this guy,
And this guy over here.
this guy, and this guy,
Yeah. Wow.
and,
And this guy.
mainly
Wait a minute. This guy over here.
this skateboarder. Yeah.
Jump
Yeah.
on the skateboard. Can I put
Okay.
him on?
One more time, just slowly.
Please jump on. Vroom, 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 vroom.